Incredible school hacks and gadgets. Do you want to upgrade your school experience and ace every class? These incredible school hacks and gadgets are going to revolutionize your study routine and make you the envy of your classmates. We'll be sharing some amazing school hacks and gadgets that are going to help you stay organized, boost your productivity, and make your life a whole lot easier. Are you always looking for new and innovative ways to make your life easier and more efficient? Do you love learning about the latest gadgets and tech? If that's the case, make sure you join our channel, The Tech Source, by subscribing now. We're going to keep you in the loop on all the latest developments and provide tips, tricks, and tutorials that are going to help you get the most out of your tech. So don't miss out. Become a part of this amazing experience and always stay ahead of the curve. Are you tired of the same old boring school routine? Well, in this video, we have a lot of amazing hacks and gadgets for you that are going to make your school experience a lot more exciting and efficient. From study hacks to organization tips, we've got you covered. So sit back, grab your pens and paper, and get ready to take some notes. The school hacks and gadgets are going to change the game for you. Are you ready to boost your grades and become a study master? We've got some incredible study hacks that will have you acing every exam and impressing your classmates. First off, we have the spaced repetition method. This is where you review material at increasingly long intervals, which helps to reinforce the information in your memory. Trust us, your brain is going to thank you for not bombarding it all with information all at once. Next, we have the Pomodoro technique, a method that involves working in short bursts of 25 minutes followed by a short break. This helps you stay focused and avoid the dreaded burnout, and let's be real, who doesn't love a good break every now and then? But wait, there's more. We've also got mnemonic devices, which are memory aids that use associations and patterns to help you remember information. For example, you can use the acronym ROY-G-BIV to remember the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And finally, there's the Cornell method, a note-taking technique that involves dividing your notes into 3 sections: a main ideas section, a cue column, and a summary section. This helps you review and retain information more effectively. Get ready to dominate your exams and become a study pro. But how do you improve your organizational skills? Well, if you're tired of being constantly disorganized and feeling like you're always behind on your work, we've got some amazing organizational tools and gadgets to get your life together. First up, we have planners. These can help you keep track of your scheduled deadlines and appointments. You can choose from a traditional paper planner or an electronic version depending on your preference. Or if you're more of a digital person, you may want to check out some task management apps like Trello, Asana, or Todoist. These allow you to make to-do lists, set reminders, and track your progress. And there's even more. We've got file organizers to keep your papers and documents organized and easily accessible, and if you're a fan of pen and paper, there's also planner inserts, bullet journals, and sticky note organizers that keep track of your tasks and ideas in a visually appealing way. So there you have it. Get some of the best organizational tools and gadgets out there. Get ready to bring your life together and conquer the world. What about managing your time better and making the most of what you have? Well, first, if you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these, make sure you leave a like and join the Tech Source by subscribing. We've got some amazing time-saving tricks and hacks that are going to help you get more done in less time. First up, we have task batching. This involves grouping similar tasks together and completing them in one go. For example, you could batch all your emails, phone calls, and errands for the day. This can help you be more efficient and avoid constant switching between tasks. Next, we have setting limits. This involves setting a timer for certain activities and working on it until the timer goes off, then taking a short break. This can help you stay focused and avoid wasting time. And there's more. We've also got task prioritization, which involves identifying the most important tasks and completing them first. If you really want to get fancy, you can use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks based on their importance and urgency. But there's also task automation and outsourcing, which can save you time and allow you to focus on core responsibilities. Prepare to take control of your schedule and accomplish more than you ever thought possible. Are there any hacks to help you stay motivated? Are you struggling to stay focused and motivated? If so, there's some amazing productivity boosters to help you get back on track. First up is time blocking. This involves scheduling blocks for specific tasks and activities and can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. There's also the 80-20 rule, stating that if 80% of your results come from 20% of the effort, identifying and focusing on the tasks that have the biggest impact can help you be more productive. As we mentioned before, you can use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. But that's not all. There's also tons of apps and tools available that can help you boost your productivity, like time management apps, task management apps, and focus apps. Don't forget to take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay refreshed and avoid burnout. You can take short breaks to keep your mind focused on longer breaks to step away from work and recharge your batteries. With all of the above, you'll be ready to conquer your to-do list and be more productive than ever. What about gadgets that can help you perform better in school? Well, we've got some amazing gadgets that'll do just that. First up is portable chargers. You've got things like noise-canceling headphones, which can be a game changer if you need to study in a noisy environment. These help block distractions and let you focus on your work. There's even more. Things like smart pens allow you to record your lectures and take digital notes at the same time. And if you need to type on the go, you might want to check out foldable keyboards. Lightweight, portable, and easily carried in your bag. But that's not all. We've also got laptops with touchscreens, which are a fun and convenient option for taking notes, making presentations, and more. Lastly, if you need some help with your studies, you may want to check out online tutoring platforms. There's a variety of subjects that allow you to connect with tutors in real time. Get ready to add some excitement to your school routine and improve your grades along with it. What can you do to help you feel better in school? Are you tired of constantly feeling thirsty and lugging around a giant water bottle all day? Well, we've got the perfect solution, the Smart Water Bottle. This amazing gadget is like a personal hydration assistant that helps you stay hydrated throughout the day. How does it work, you ask? Well, it's simple. Just fill up your Smart Water Bottle with water and it will remind you to drink at regular intervals throughout the day. It's like having a little voice in your head that's saying, hey, don't forget to drink water. But that's not all. Some Smart Water Bottles even have a built-in filter to purify your water so you can feel confident that you're drinking clean and fresh water. And let's be real, who doesn't love drinking purified water? It's like the water equivalent of a freshly laundered t-shirt. So there you have it, the Smart Water Bottle. Get ready to stay hydrated and feel like a superhero. How can you improve your note-taking game? Are you tired of lugging around heavy textbooks and stacks of paper? Well, we've got a solution for you, the Smart Notebook. This amazing gadget is a digital notebook that allows you to write and draw with a pen or stylus, and the notes are automatically saved to your device. No more carrying around a binder full of loose papers or worrying about losing your notes. The Smart Notebook is eco-friendly and it reduces the need for paper. So not only will it make your life easier, it will also make you feel like an environmentally responsible adult. But that's not all. The Smart Notebook has plenty of other cool features. For example, some of them have text recognition, meaning you can easily search and organize your notes. No more flipping through pages trying to find that one important note you jotted down. And if you're not a fan of handwriting, some Smart Notebooks even allow you to type your notes on the screen, so you can have the best of both worlds, the convenience of typing and the creativity of writing. But there's even more. Some Smart Notebooks can have apps and features that allow you to add images, videos, and audio to your notes, so you can really bring your notes to life. Finally, if you're worried about running out of battery or losing your notes, don't worry. Most Smart Notebooks have a very long battery life and you can save your notes inside the cloud, so you can access them from any device that you have. So what are the most useful hacks and gadgets for school we've learned in this video? Well, we've shown a variety of hacks and gadgets that can help you boost your grades, stay organized, save time, increase productivity, and have fun at school. Some of the specific hacks and gadgets we've covered include the repetition method, the Pomodoro technique, mnemonic devices, Cornell method, planners, file organizers, task management apps, pen and paper organizers, laptop organizers, time blocking, the 80-20 rule, the Eisenhower matrix, task automation, outsourcing, smart pens, foldable keyboards, laptops with touchscreens, online tutoring platforms, portable chargers, noise-canceling headphones, and there are much more out there. These tools and techniques can help you study more effectively, manage your time better, stay motivated, and make the most out of your school experience. If you're interested in desk gadgets, check out this video. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed, join the Tech Source by subscribing now.